Just Haley the way. Way? Okay, I'll teach you. Haley, this is how you weigh. In any pose, like this, or this. This. You can always do this. Wait, what did I say?
This, or this?
I was gonna teach you down, right? Way.
Down.
You can always go down like this. From this pose, Haley, listen. From this pose, 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 oh, this pose, or that pose. You can always do this pose. Actually, roll over. Okay. Up, up, up. Stay like this, okay? I'm teaching you how to focus. Focus on the tree. 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 Guys, you're on puppy school. You have to focus on the tree. Move your head where it is. Focus on the tree. 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 The person who did better, who gets the first tree, is Haley. Hello.